Hi there. I'm Terry Runyan, visual artist and creative encourager. And today I'm going to share with you how I come up with ideas for my art and illustration. I do have a group on Facebook called the Daily Creating Group, which I post prompts every week for every day of the week. So that's a really great resource for having just a spot to start. For today, that prompt is play in the sand. So we're going to use this prompt as a way to generate ideas about what we might want to do. And one of the things I do for that is I start to think about how many different ways do we know that sand happens? We know it happens on the beach. We know there's kiddie sandboxes. There's some sand in gardening and landscaping. So here's a few things that I might pursue. But I know what I like, and I like cats. So we know the cats have sandboxes. So that is what I'm going to be working towards on this. And I usually start my idea generation by just thinking about what you can do with sand. I know that people, when they play in the sand, like to make sand castles. So I have that in mind for how I might approach this illustration. So the next step I take is to take a look through Pinterest, and maybe I look up playing in the sand illustration, or I might look up sand castles or that kind of thing. So you may want to try doing that. Just see what catches your eye on Pinterest, or maybe you like to look at Google Images. You can look at other illustrators' art, or you can look at photographs or anything having to do with sand or playing in the sand. So this is how I generate ideas. I like to follow a prompt, but I don't always follow a prompt. When I don't have a prompt, I usually just ideate by looking at a ton of stuff. Like I just wait for that inspiration to come when something I think, that looks like fun, or a portion of something looks like fun, or yeah, that it's like a quickening feeling I get like, oh, I could do that. Or and then I make sure that I don't copy what inspired me. I try to look at a lot of variation around the theme. I might take the color palette that inspired me, or I might take a subject matter that inspired me, but I make sure I vary greatly from the original work. And I do that by mixing up all the elements so that nothing is exactly the same. And I also look at a lot of different artwork to help with that inspiration. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to leave you to do your research and think about what you want to do with playing in the sand, and then come back here and let's jump in.